Merch by Amazon, low competition, evergreen, niche alert. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make money in the very popular but competitive grandma niche. Hello everyone, my name is Mike. I'm a full-time print-on-demand seller. I make YouTube videos showing you how to make more money on Merch by Amazon and other print-on-demand platforms. If you like this kind of content and you get any value out of this video, make sure to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Okay, so let's get into the content of the video. And in this video, we're going to be talking about the grandma niche. Now, if you just go to Amazon and you just type in grandma, you're going to see that it's very competitive. You know, there's 50,000 results. And now there's other ways that you could say grandma. You can do like Gaga, Gigi, you know, Granny. There's other ways, but even those are still pretty competitive. So one way that I have found to make money in the grandma niche is by saying grandma, but in different languages. So what you want to do is you just want to go to Google right here, and you want to type in how to say grandma in different languages. Click on this first link right here. It will take you to this page. It's going to show you different ways that you could say grandma, like grandma with a twist, but even these are competitive, I have found, even these ones down here. But what you want to look for is how you say it in different languages. And where is it? Right here. Names for grandma in different languages. And so if we take a look at these, we're going to see that a lot of these grandma niches in different languages are very low in competition and selling. So the first one that I have for you is babushka, which is in Russian. So if we go to Amazon and we type in babushka, we're going to see that there's only 496 results. If we go to the third page, we're going to see that there's still only 496 results, and this niche is selling. So we're going to see right here, like this one, babushka, another term for grandma, but just cooler. So this is really easy to design for, this definition. I actually noticed in a lot of these grandma niches that the definition design sold really well. And look at this, 272 results and $19.99. That's a $5 royalty. And this is an evergreen niche. You know, this will sell every month all year round. Here are another one. I love my babushka. Not the best BSR, but selling. If we go to test to see if this is trademarked, we're going to see babushka, hit enter. You will see that only this one pops up right here, but it is not in the t-shirt category, providing temporary use for online downloadable, so different stuff. In my course, I teach you how to read and understand trademarks. And if we go to Etsy, take a look, we're going to see babushka. There's actually 10,000 results, so which is kind of higher than what I kind of like, but a lot of the results are coming up for this other type of product right here. If we look right here, these are the type of designs that we want, so you can kind of get some ideas. So you can do promoted to babushka, world's best babushka. If we go to Redbubble, let's take a look at the competition there. 1,200 results. Here's an example, world's greatest babushka. And if we go to TeePublic, let's see if there's any results there. So not seeing too many. So that is the first grandma niche that I have for you. It is how you say grandma in Russian, which is babushka. I think I'm saying it right. And the next niche that I have for you is Mormor, and Mormor is how you say grandma in, where is it? Right here in Norwegian. All right, and if we go to Amazon, we're going to see that for Mormor, there's only 86 results. If I go to the second page, there's still only 86 results. And check out some of the designs and BSRs on this niche. So Mormor is my name, spoiling is my game. And this is actually a pretty popular phrase that I also saw. And you can just make a design like this. Then you can switch out, you could scale it, you could switch out Mormor for all the different ways that you could say, you know, grandma in different languages, like, you know, babushka, abuela, etc., etc. And we're going to see that this design has a BSR of 344. Again, sitting at $19.99, $5 royalty. And this is evergreen. This will sell, you know, all throughout the year. Here are a couple of other examples. Happiness is being a Mormor. Best Mormor ever. And here again, we're going to see that definition design. And all of these are selling. You can see they all have BSRs. This one looks like it's the best. Are there any other good BSRs? 1.2 million. If we go to, let's go ahead and take a look at tests to see if anything pops up. So Mormor, hit enter. We're going to see that I believe there was one that came up, but it is not for t-shirts. It is for vehicle suspension. So not in the t-shirt category. If we go to Etsy, we're going to see there's only 1,500 results. And you can do a nice design like this. You can also cross niche these grandma niches in different languages with you know, the year. So, you know, promoted to Mormor, established 2024. You know, new Mormor established 2024, etc., etc. You get the idea. If we go to Redbubble, we're going to see that for this phrase, more, it's only 168 results. Best more ever. And if we go to TeePublic, we will see what some of the designs look like. Only great moms get promoted to more. So that's another phrase option. Soon to be more. So that is the second one. It is more. It's how you say grandma in Norwegian. And the next grandma niche that I have is avô, which is how you say grandma in Portuguese right here. And if we go to Amazon, we're going to see that avô, there's 502 results. Now there's probably less than that because a lot of the results that came up have to do with with avocado, I mean. So, you know, that's kind of half of the way that you say avocado. So it's probably less than 502. But if we go to the third page, we're going to see it's only 502, so still low in competition. And here are some of the designs right here. Avô, because I'm way too cool to be called grandma. Let me just refresh it real quick so that we can see the BSRs. And if we look at this one right here, 5 million BSR. But if we go to this one right here, best avô ever, sitting again at, you know, under 3,291. You know, this $19.99 price looks to be converting pretty well. If we go to Etsy to take a look at the competition there, we're going to see the competition is 2,600. We're going to see what some of the designs look like. Looks like mugs are pretty popular with the grandma niche in these different languages. So if you're selling on Etsy, that could be another option. Here are what some of the t-shirts look like. Competition on Redbubble, sitting at 3,500. Again, we're going to see a lot of avocado ones, so it's probably actually less for just the grandma one, how you say it in Portuguese. And if we go to TeePublic, we're going to see not really seeing anything on TeePublic, so it could be a good opportunity for us there. So that is the third niche that I have for you guys. Next grandma niche is going to be mayo, which is how you say grandma in Irish or in Ireland. Don't know if I'm saying that right, but if we go to Amazon, we will see that this phrase or this word right here only has 144 results. Go to the third page, we're going to see only 144 results. And this one doesn't have the best BSRs, but we can see that it is selling. Again, we're going to see these two phrases again, or at least the design styles with the definition. My mayo, because I'm way too cool to be called grandma. These ones were cross-niching it with softball, which I thought could be another option. They don't have any BSRs. When were they uploaded? Oh, just recently. So maybe these will start to sell in the future. So that's another option. You don't just have to cross-niche it with like the year 2024. You could also cross-niche it maybe with different types of sports: softball, baseball, football. Those are pretty much the main, or the three most popular ones. Probably do soccer too as well. If we go to test to see if this is trademark, my mayo, nothing pops up. If we go to Etsy, we're going to see under 1,000 results. Again, lots of mugs. You can go to Redbubble and see nothing pops up for this. Not too sure what that is. And for TeePublic, there's probably not going to be anything either. So really low in competition. This phrase right here, or this word, grandma in Irish, or from the country Ireland. And then the last one that I want to share with you guys is how you say grandma in Czech, which is babika, I think. When we go to Amazon, we're going to see there's only 26 results. There isn't a third page, so I can't show you. But if we look at this design right here, again, we're going to see that same thing, that definition, design style, sitting again under 263,000. This one they bumped it up to $22.99. $22.99 will get you a $7 and change royalty. If we go to test, type that in, hit enter, nothing pops up for t-shirts, just for vodka. And if we go to Etsy, we're going to see 1,700 results. Redbubble sitting only at one result, again, that definition style. And if we go to TeePublic, didn't see anything for that. Now there are a couple honorable mentions that I also wanted to share with you. Where was it? So this one right here, Tutu in Hawaii. Now I'm not going to show it to you because when I went to the third page, there was like 3,000, 4,000 results. So I know you guys don't like that. And then another one, which is Oma, which is how you say grandma in German. Again, when I went to the third page, there's like 3,000, 4,000 results. So I know you guys like seeing the ones that are more lower in competition. So those are the ones that I focused on. But the reason that these sell well is because there's people from other countries like Russia, German, et cetera, that have, moved or are living in the States. and they have grandmas that are from those countries. So that's why these designs will sell well, and I thought this is a good idea because they are just low in competition and they are selling. They're evergreen. They will sell all year round. So you know, good designs are good niches to get into and pretty simple to design for. The majority of them are just like basically text designs. You can do something similar to hopefully get similar sales results. And if you guys are struggling to get sales on Merch by Amazon or Redbubble, I have 2 courses I would recommend that you check out on Udemy. So this is the first one, Merch by Amazon for Beginners, a step-by-step beginner's guide for mastering Merch by Amazon. Here you'll see what you will learn. You can check out the course content, check out the reviews at the bottom. It's on sale right now for only 200 Mexican pesos. I live in Mexico, so that's why it says MX, but I believe I have the price set to like 20 bucks, so maybe it's at 10 bucks today. Only 2 hours left. If you go to Redbubble, or if I show you my Redbubble one, this is what the course that I have for Redbubble. It's pretty much the same thing, just for the Redbubble platform. You can see what you're going to learn. This one actually tends to sell better. We're going to see it has a better rating. People seem to like it. These courses are good for beginners or for people that are struggling to get sales on Merch by Amazon or Redbubble. I just want to thank everybody that's been actually purchasing the course. I appreciate your support. I hope you have been enjoying them. Again, good for beginners, people struggling to get sales on Merch by Amazon, Redbubble. I will have these links in the description and in the pinned comment. If you take a look at my credentials or my sales for merch, so today I'm actually having a pretty good day, sitting at 18 sales and $81 in royalties. I'm a tier 8,000 seller, so right here you're going to see 8,000. I'm not the best Merch by Amazon seller, but I make a little bit of money, so just share that with you. But that is going to be the video for today. If you're looking for more niches, more ideas, check out my YouTube channel. If this would just load, I could show you the playlist that I have, but I've been putting out a lot of videos. I put one out yesterday, almost every other day, so check out the playlist. For some reason my internet is kind of freezing up, but oh well, it is what it is. But check out my channel. I got more. Oh, there it goes. I live in Mexico, so the internet's not always the best here. But so yeah, so I put out a Thanksgiving niche. This one that's jamming right now. This is an emergency video I put out. This niche right here, I show you how to cross niche and niche down in the career niche, where you can scale niche it down and cross niche it with retirement. Some awareness niches, etc., etc. You guys get the deal. Check it out. Subscribe. Click the video so you never, click the bell so you never miss a video. And that is going to be the video for today. I appreciate all the new subscribers, everybody that's been watching the videos, commenting, liking. I'm motivated to put out more videos for you guys, so hopefully you've been enjoying the content. Comment below, what do you guys think about this niche? What do you guys think about the grandma niches? Do you think it's good? Do you think it's a waste of time? Good niche, bad niche? Comment below. Let me know. Alright, that's it. I will see you guys on the next one. Have a nice night. Adios.